Today is September 21st, 2023, as I am here in my office, studio, whatever you would like to call this space. I have a brilliant idea. It's gonna take a lot of money, it's gonna take quite a bit of time, a lot of paint, a lot of building, a lot of learning with some electrician work. I'm ready. After patching, sanding, and cleaning the walls, it was time to paint. I started with the ceiling and then the walls. Once everything was painted, it was time to tear up the carpet. Then I assembled my IKEA cabinets and removed the trim on the wall which the cabinets would be placed. I just took this door from being on the outside where this handle stuck out, and now it's in. Remove the trim, get these cabinets up flush. Maybe the biggest project so far. After reversing the direction the door swung open, I removed the door trim, added spray foam to fill the gaps, and trimmed the foam to allow the cabinets to sit flush along the wall. I then spent far too long trying to figure out the placement of the cabinets and the bookshelves that would rest on top.
I'm a textbook overthinker.
I tried to do the math on paper, build it out in Illustrator, but in the end, cut at what I expected the angles to be, always erring on the side of being too big, and then removed excess material as necessary. Next came cutting and staining the countertop. I cut and placed a sound barrier, vapor barrier, and slight cushion along the ground before the wood planks were placed. Each cut involved measuring, walking downstairs, marking, cutting, bringing the board upstairs, and checking equipment. Occasionally, a recut was necessary. Flooring complete and baseboards installed, It was time to build the bookshelves. Once the cabinet doors were on, the transformation really began to take place. I placed vertical decorative planking on the wall to help cover up the hole that was left from the door. All I have left is put a board across there. Got the shelf up. Took a while to get it since it's not exactly level and it doesn't fit so easily, so I had to jam it in here. Annoyingly scratched all the paint. More than one spot, but so I've got the top this far, which looks great from here, but this piece is just a tiny bit too big running into this top. Meaning I'm not done cutting because it sticks out. Built the office that I was hoping for. I have half an art studio, half a relaxing area that has that moody, dark library vibe. And once I have furniture to finish it off, I will truly have the office that I was hoping for. You don't need to have the perfect place to work, because if it's perfect, you don't want to ruin it. You need to be able to make a mess. And truly, more than anything else, you need something that is functional. And so although I made visually my dream studio, it is also very functional in having a visual side for holding and storing all of my stuff without it looking like clutter, and having a very well lit art studio side where I'm able to make my artwork. I realized that in order for your dream studio to be your dream studio, it's not about the things that are in it. It's about what you use it for and what you create within your dream studio. That will seal the memories.